From Sooner Standards, Creating and Comparing Multiple Data Representations, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.DA.S.01. Students learn to create and compare multiple representations of the same data, like a table, a tally chart, and a bar graph, inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of data representations, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Dalton Sayis of No Prep HQIM aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.